BlueCuber.
Hi, today I'm going to be reviewing the YJ Yulong V2. First, I'm going to be measuring its weight. So this cube weighs 88 grams. But if you have your own YJ Yulong and use a different scale, and if you measure the weight, it might be a little different, or it might be the exact same. So now we're going to be measuring the size of the cube in millimeters. So the cube size is about 56.1 millimeters, which is about standard size. Now I'm going to talk about its turning. So its turning this is a very fast cube. And I really like it for one-handed because it's very effortless to turn. And now let's talk about corner cutting. 45 degrees, very easily. I'm going to do 45 degrees with one hand. It's very effortless, line to line. Okay, that's very good. A little more than that. Maybe a tiny bit more, but that's just very good. Now reverse. Okay, you can go a little farther. Like almost line to line. Wow. Amazing reverse corner cutting. Amazing corner cutting. And this is another thing I like about it. It's very good corner cutting. And it works very well when you're turning fast because when you turn it inaccurately, it just corner cuts for you. That's what I really like about this cube. One thing I don't like is it's very loud, but that doesn't really affect me. Overall, this cube is very good, and I highly recommend it to people that really like cubes with good corner cutting and turn fast, but do not want to pay too much and don't mind loud noises because this cube is very good, especially on one-handed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I'm BlueCuber. Bye.